What's up everybody? Back here with another video. So today we're going to be swinging past Duds to get a coffee, and then we're going to hit the London transportation system and head over to King's Cross, find some locations over there, and we'll see how it goes. Got something very exciting on board today. We're going to be venturing into an abandoned hospital, so keep on board with that and we'll see where this video goes. Now we're going to head off to the abandoned hospital and have a look around inside, get some pictures. The lighting through some of the windows today just looks incredible, so I've brought a couple of smokies with me. We're going to pop these pieces and get cracking. Let's go for a wander. Watch out when you're climbing through the window, slice your finger off. The view from the top of this abandoned hospital is insane. Right opposite the Houses of Parliament, you can see the BT Tower in the background. Crazy. Spooky as hell, does it? Down we go. Inspiration, and we've just stumbled across this piece of light coming through a window, so we're going to add a levitation image in right there. Coffee flicks on air.
Watch out for those asbestos flakes.
So we found ourselves in the bell tower and we're going to attempt to climb up there, but it is dark and there is pigeon cack up at the walls. Watch out for that wood in the bird carcass. That is wobbly as hell, man, but we made it to the top. Time for the climb down, and we're going to head to inside the abandoned hospital and let off some smoke grenades. We're just waiting for the sun to come round so it's properly illuminated. See you there. We got a red one today. Let's get a perspective through the camera. Look at that clean ass glass. Really becoming a fan of the 50mm lens with the Sigma. I highly recommend it. Look at that. Fresh to death. Check out some 50mm bangers here. Alright Dougie, let's do this. That is incredible toxic fumes. So we'll let that linger for a while, and then we're going to get sun rays coming through from the windows. This is going to be crazy. sun ray photography is insane. The way the smoke creates those rays of light is just gnarly. The lighting right now is insane. I'm going to drop a couple of pictures in and you're going to levitate right now. Check them out. These lighting conditions are pretty much the perfect situation that you want to get going on. The way the smoke just hovers and creates these incredible beams of light is insane. We've got a whole array of different imagery and this is mad. I could literally spend all day in here with these light rays, coming up with new ideas and concepts. This is just crazy. When you get the opportunity to shoot light rays like this, take full advantage of it and get all of the bangers. If you ever get the chance to do light ray photography, I highly recommend it. You just definitely go out and find a place to make it happen. You can literally make magic. It's insane. I hope you liked that video and you got an insight into light ray photography. I'm gonna stitch in some drone footage over London and the London Eye right now, so you can check that out. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be seeing all of y'all in the next video. Peace.